Hi everybody. I was getting problems with a sticky clutch switch on this old Honda of mine, and the last two old 750 Suzukis I had a similar problem where the clutch switch would stick. You depressed the starter button and nothing happened, and then you started to call the battery into question and all the other elements in the circuit, and it was a while before I eventually tied it down to being the clutch switch, because there's lots of different sort of elements in the puzzle. And if I move across to this scribbled diagram I drew, don't base your investigations on this, maybe better look at your own wiring diagram. But you can see the clutch switch here, it ties into the starter solenoid relay, then the starter relay itself, down to the starter motor, the battery feeds in here, and you may have a side stand switch where the bike won't start if the side stand is down. I don't have one on this bike certainly. So there are a few elements in the puzzle, but I think it's generally the clutch switch which causes problems. Over time, if I can spin this round so you can see, let's do it that way, so it's facing the light. Looking in there, you should hopefully see a little plunger. And if I go in left-handedly and depress that down, oh my fingers are in the way, you may be able to see that popping in and out. So when you pull the clutch in, using the lever, you make the circuit, pull the clutch in like that, the plunger pops out, it makes the circuit and then enables the whole starter system to work. And if I slowly spin round to this other bike, you should see, there it is there, there's the clutch switch on this bike, and there's the feed and return that go back into the loom and supply the circuit. Now, some people bridge these out. All you need to do is connect the one to the other, and the bike will think that the clutch has been pulled in and it should start up. But I think this is a safety feature, and I'd rather have it than not have it. So it may be best to check the plunger on yours if you're having problems. I think that's probably going to be the most likely source of any bother. So try that first. Thanks for looking.